Hey, welcome back. Today we're setting up Claude code in GitHub Actions. By the end, Claude will review every PR automatically. This is the #1 requested feature, and there are 0 good tutorials out there. Let's fix that. What can it do? Tag at Claude in any PR comment, and it responds. Set up automated code review on every PR. It can implement features from issues. Fix failing CI automatically. And it follows your Claude.md coding standards. Set up in 3 steps. 1. Install the Claude GitHub app. 2. Add your API key to repo secrets. 3. Copy the workflow file. Or if you're already using Claude code, just run /install-github-app and it does everything for you. The workflow file. It triggers on issue comments and PR review comments. Uses the official Claude code action and passes your API key. That's literally 3 lines of config. Copy it and you're done. Automated code review. It runs on every PR automatically. Uses multi-agent analysis for thorough review. Posts inline comments right where the issues are. Focuses on real problems, bugs, security vulnerabilities, logic errors. Ignores style and formatting issues that your linter handles. Advanced features. It works with Bedrock and Vertex AI for enterprise. You can set custom prompts per workflow. Skills work in CI too. Set max, turns to control costs. And your Claude.md guides the review standards. Recap. 3 steps to set up. Automated review on every PR. At Claude for on-demand help. Enterprise ready with Bedrock and Vertex. Subscribe for more.